Sichuan Huajiao, Fly By Jing Vanilla ice cream? Roll the intro. I'ma always be a chili head, that's my thing. Scoville heat units goes off with a bang. Damn, the heat is so hot sometimes I can't hang. Mouth scorching goodness. You start speaking slang, chow down on the hottest peppers, gut busting pain. I'll try to explain. And knock me off tracks like a speeding bullet train. It's a what? Chili Chinglish thing. Chili Chinglish. Thank you for joining me today and also taking the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate you. You're probably saying, where have you been? Well, I've had a lot of things happen in my life these last probably 7 months. I actually lost my sister in September. I lost my mom in December. And I also lost my dad in February. But I'm back and I want to start doing videos again. But one thing I learned about my mom when I went to her funeral is that she loved Chinese movies. So that's where I get basically where I got my Chinese obsession from actually learning the language, from going there, and then also loving their cuisine. That's where that came from. So let's get this show on the road. Today, I have Fly By Jing. Not traditional, but personal. Right there. And then Sichuan province. This tastes different. And everywhere else. Right there. Then it says this box also contains Fly By Jing, 1 hour of wide-eye surprise, 15 meals that impress mom, 8 white t-shirts stained with chili oil, 21 men meals turned into meals, 15 friends saying this is good, this is so good, 15 friends saying this is so good, what is it? 10,000 tingling taste buds, 64 garbled words spoken with food in mouth, 5 hours of comfort, 5 hours of comfort, 28 wide-eyed grins when, I can't even speak, 28 wide-eyed grins when it tastes good on that too. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hours of flavor inside. And then Fly By Jing. These flavors come from careful techniques and specific ingredients we spent many hours sourcing in the mountains and countryside outside Chengdu, like the electrifying hand harvesting Zhongjiao tribe, pepper so prized it used to be given as a tribute to the emperor. Our products don't taste like anything else because there's nothing made like anything else. Oh, let's open this up. Then leave a review and get $5 off your next order. Fly By Jing. Just take a screenshot of your review on Amazon and send it to support@flybyjing.com. Cash in your gift on the next order of fire flavors at flybyjing.com. Have an issue with your order? We'll make it right. Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST, support@flybyjing.com. And here's the phone number right here. Right here. Right there. And then got a real nice presentation right here. And then the savory, crunchy, hot spice that you will find yourself putting on everything. Ice cream, fried eggs, vegetables, meat, and carbs. Man, it's a lot of stuff on here. There you go. Fly By Jing. They have this one, Fly By Jing Sichuan Chili Crisp. Then they have the Jones sauce, which is medium sauce. And then the mala sauce, which is spicy sauce. Let's open this up. Let me get this. So how has everybody been doing? Know it's been a long time, but I want to start getting back into doing spicy stuff again. And I also started a second channel called Unboxing Chinglish. Go over there and support that channel as well. I greatly appreciate you. There you go, some ice cream, vanilla ice cream. That should be enough. Let me shake this up. Ooh, this is my first time actually trying this product. I think it's a fairly new company. Look at that. There you go. I think that should be good. Let's see how this tastes. Ooh. It's got a little kick to it. Well, Sichuan cuisine or Sichuan peppercorn actually enhances the flavor of what you eat, and it gives it a potent taste to it. It's got a good flavor. It's really, really good. It's not spicy. This is probably the low end spice. Then the Zhong sauce is the next level up, which is the medium spice. And then you got the mala spice, which is probably the hottest one they have. And I'll leave that in the comment section. I'll leave that in the description down below. Pretty good. Let's take it up another notch. You kind of feel it a little bit in the ears. Nothing real painful right now. It's more, it's a low end spice. I would say, if I could put this on the Scoville scale, I would say around 5,000 Scoville. Very, very good though. Can really taste the flavor from it. It kind of tastes like Kind of tastes like this. Kind of tastes like Lao Ga Mahjong, but a little on the lower side. I'm not going to bore you with keep eating this ice cream and spicy stuff. That's going to be the end of this video. Live life, love life, and let life take you to the next level. With me. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.